Hi there, it's Leanne with Expressible. As a speech-language pathologist, I've played a lot of games. Sometimes it's just for a fun break, but oftentimes it's to practice turn-taking. Turn-taking is truly an important aspect of social skills development for children. And not only that, it helps them learn and understand the kind of turn-taking that happens in conversation. So let's get into how to work on it at home with your child. Tons of games have built-in turn-taking. Go Fish, Candyland, Uno, but what about for younger kids who aren't ready for board games? It's pretty easy. We can just insert turn-taking into any play activity. I put a block on the tower, then you. Then me, then you. Blowing bubbles is always a crowd pleaser. I'll blow first, then you. I do recommend that parents hold on to the container. Let's all do our part to prevent spills. Some kids have a tough time sharing, and it's not uncommon. Try not to give in to letting your kid run the show, though. That's not how it works on the playground or at school, and it's not how it works in conversation either. Try to be consistent about making sure that you take a turn, even if you go super fast. Use consistent language and hand gestures to help. First my turn, then your turn. Practice makes perfect, so try to be consistent from day to day as well. It's a big win if your child begins to hand objects back to you for your turn without you asking them to do so. Same goes for if they start to use words to request for their turn instead of reaching or grabbing. We want to actively encourage them to do so. So if they aren't using words, we can model, "My turn, please." After showing them a few times, wait for your child to imitate before letting them take their turn. Play is the work of children, and turn-taking is yet another valuable lesson that they can take away from it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the Expressible channel for more speech and language therapy ideas and tips.